There, I think I finally figured it out. Good morning, Dr. Laura Perryman here, still at Arvo in Vancouver, BC, 2019. Wow, my head is so full of really cool stuff. I want to share something really interesting with you. I went to Dr. Niederkorn's Proctor Award lecture yesterday morning, and the man's brilliant. I read a lot of his papers. He's an incredible immunologist, and his main focus that he presented was the immune privilege of the eye. Now, within that model, they found that when you cut the corneal nerves in corneal transplantation, that you get this big upregulation of a special messenger called substance P. Now, substance P, it turns out, is pro-inflammatory and can limit your regulatory T cells. What does that mean for the patient? Okay, here's what I think it means. It means that when we do surgery on the eye, it's inevitable that you're going to end up cutting through nerves, like any surgery, right? There's definitely an insult there to the nerves. If you have an eye that's already immunologically hot from dry eye disease, even if the eye's not red, right, then you are essentially pouring gasoline on the fire of dry eye disease. And it made a lot of sense to me. So I get a lot of patients that come in after cataract surgery and they'll say, my dry eye was fine before cataract surgery, and this just threw me off a cliff. And I'm like, I hear that a lot, and now I think I understand the mechanism. So that's pretty cool. So the fact that you lose the quieting effect of a special type of cell called a T regulatory cell, I think is very important. We can address that specifically with some of our common prescription medications. So I think it's yet another call to action to be very proactive and very progressive in addressing dry eye disease before any type of ocular surgery, whether it's PRK, LASIK, cataract surgery, etc. So the immunology story is evolving. It's fascinating, but it all starts to make sense. I hope you find it helpful. Don't give up, and I'll bring you some more pearls today. Thanks. Bye.